In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do week-over-week comparison in Metabase. By the end, you'll be able to quickly see how your key metrics are trending from one week to the next, all within a simple, visual question. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Metabase. Head to the official site and sign in to your workspace. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the home screen. From here, we'll create a fresh question so we can configure the week-over-week view exactly how we want it. Click the plus new button, then choose question. This opens the query builder, where you'll select the data you want to analyze. Pick your dataset. Using something like an orders table is a great example because it usually includes a date and a metric you care about. If your team maintains a cleaned model for reporting, choose that to ensure consistent fields and definitions. Next, choose the metric. A straightforward starting point is count of rows, which tells you how many orders occurred. This is perfect for demonstrating week-over-week changes. If your goal is a different KPI, like total revenue or active users, you choose the appropriate field and aggregation, but count of rows works well for most walkthroughs and keeps the setup simple. Now select your date field, commonly something like order date or created at, and group it by week. This step is the key to a week-over-week comparison. Make sure you pick the correct date column that matches the event you're measuring. Metabase will bucket your data into calendar weeks. Depending on your organization's settings, weeks may start on Sunday or Monday, and time zone settings can impact which days fall into each week, so it's good to be aware of that. If your data spans multiple years, you'll see weeks labeled with their year to avoid confusion. Click Visualization in the bottom left to switch from the data view to a chart. Metabase will suggest a visualization, and you can easily switch between a line or bar chart to see the weekly trend clearly. Adjusting labels or toggling the display helps highlight the week-by-week pattern so it's easy to read at a glance. When your weekly metric is in place, Metabase will show the latest week's value along with the percentage change compared to the previous week. Green indicates an increase and red a decrease. Keep in mind that if the previous week had 0 values, the percentage change may be undefined or very large. Also, if the current week isn't finished, the number will likely be low, which can skew that comparison. That's it. You've created a clean, reliable week-over-week comparison in Metabase, ready to monitor trends and make informed decisions.